Hey guys, it is raining and I'm just walking around. So yeah. Frig, it's cold too. Like, holy crap. Oh, I hate it out. Like, it freaking sucks out here. So yeah. I'm just bored and there's literally nothing to do. So, yeah. Yup. So yeah, I'm staying out here till 8:30. Then I'm leaving. So yeah. Oh shit. And these are the houses that are empty. Yeah. I'm in Manitou. I live in Manitou anyway. Let's stand under a tree. Yeah, here. Now we have shelter. So yeah, I'm bored and I'm standing near trees and a house that says do not enter. I don't know if you can see that, but it says do not enter. So yeah, I hate rain. I freaking hate rain. And I like trees. Especially these ones, but they're freaking, yeah. So yeah, I'm freaking weird. Like, I'm wearing dark eyeshadow. I'm wearing freaking white long ass earrings. I'm wearing lipstick. That's getting in my teeth. So yeah, I'm probably gonna go. Alright, bye.